Hi, this is Dave Dirks, co-author of the book, The New Marketing Analytics. In this segment, I want to talk to you about something that I recently learned about, and that is something you'll be hearing about, I'm sure, much more in the future. And it's called Amazon Go. And Amazon Go is, I think, probably a brilliant market strategy for Amazon to pursue the brick and mortar business, the grocery business in particular. So what did Amazon just recently announce? Well, it said that it was creating a store called the Amazon Go, and it's in beta now in Seattle, where it's being used only by employees. But the point is, there's no lines, there's no checkout. What you basically do is you use what they call their just walk out technology, and you basically go in, scan your ID from your phone into a little scanner as you walk into the store, and you go ahead and you select what items you want. The technology that they use is really kind of a mix or a fusion between artificial intelligence, algorithms, and data that they have. And of course, you go in, you pick an item. The technology that they have can sense when an item's been picked up or when an item's been returned. And basically, you grab it, you walk out with whatever items that you decide you wanted, and as you walk back out through the store, Amazon automatically rings up your sale and then emails you your bill and settles your account, because your account is connected to your Amazon account. So what a great technology, what a great idea, because, I mean, here's Amazon, which collects more data on more online shoppers than probably any other company I know of, probably next to Walmart, which has a huge online operation, but not of the scale of Amazon. And now Amazon has the ability to connect you to a brick and mortar experience beyond just their online, experience being, the one click. So, for example, I could easily see someone like myself who's an Amazon Prime customer and have been for many years now, somehow being able to benefit from using Amazon Go. And Amazon now being able to collect much more information about the things I shop for when I do go in a brick and mortar store, that would be obviously immensely helpful to them as they start to look at the grocery industry itself. And I think you look at this as they looked at the bookstore industry years ago. That's how they started. They took the bookstore industry and said it hasn't, the bookstore business model hadn't changed in decades. And they took it online, obviously perfected it, and then they added everything else. Well, Amazon Go is their first, I think, real big attack into going into and creating brick and mortar, and then giving grocery stores eventually, I would imagine in 5, maybe even less than 5 years, but certainly no more than in 10 years, being able to give grocery stores a run for their money. And the convenience, the fact that you can go in and grab it, and then you can leave with whatever groceries you need, and you just kind of like wheel yourself out and never have to stand in line. And we all know how we hate the line situation. I know when I go to a grocery store, oftentimes I'm very organized when I buy. So I buy a number of my items, and I'm done in a few minutes. But I get stuck and spend 2, maybe 3 times the amount of time waiting to get checked out than it took me to actually get the groceries I needed. So Amazon is onto something very powerful here. And if you're a supermarket, I have to tell you, you should be prototyping this technology and starting to invest in this now, because I can't imagine Amazon not really doing well here in terms of hitting the strike zone for brick and mortar, especially in the grocery area where people want convenience. They want to get in and get out. And again, these are not super large supermarkets. They're not at that scale. They're much smaller. They're sort of grab and go type of convenience items, pre-prepared foods, those kinds of things that are just typical grab and go. Sort of a step above maybe a convenience store level, but not too far from it. So anyway, It'll be fascinating to see how Amazon overlays the data that it has from, let's say, its Prime customers or other customers, even non-Prime customers, and then works that into the algorithms for Amazon Go. The potential, I think, is exciting, and it'll be very interesting what the industry or how the industry reacts to this whole concept of, just walk out technology. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this segment. If you'd like more information on analytics or data analytics, check out our book, The New Marketing Analytics. You can get it at Amazon.com, or you can go to our website and find out even more goodies. Go to www.newmarketinganalytics.com. Have a great day.